two, three.
Nessuno di questi è particolarmente prezioso, piacente, piacente. E quindi liberiamo giro. Questi oggetti non possono renderci liberi. Quattro, tre, due, uno. Anche se a volte crediamo che girano felici, questi oggetti non possono consolarci e quindi liberiamo le nostre mani di tenerci meglio, tenerci meglio, tenerci meglio, sì, tenerci meglio, tenerci meglio. Tenerci meglio, tenerci meglio. We're Mela Mela. Thanks for having us. See the bar, you can come get it too. Savvy and sorry, you can come get it too. Get it too. Live on the absolute. See the power, you can come get it too. Savvy and sorry, you can come get it too. Get it too. Live on the absolute. Swinging's over, evening's over, split it in two. You can get it if you do. Come get it true. Come and get it through. Live on absolute. This next one's called Libre. It means free.
One, two, one, two.
quest'amor libres, Ooh, thank you, Woodward. That was Nastia, aka Nasty A, holding it down on the cello. She likes crush. We got El Chino Sonidero hanging out on the drums. He's gonna solo for us a little bit. And Doc King on the bass. My name's Nomi. The song's called Come Lei. Le sue parole sembravano scandalose e di certo lei non aveva peli sulla lingua. Allo stesso tempo, senza dubbio, la verità che ha detto era la cosa giusta da dire. Forse potrei essere coraggiosa come lei. Oh, come lei, il fuoco nei suoi occhi ha bruciato ogni previsione. La verità che ha illuminato era anche nel mio cuore. Forse potrei essere saggia come lei. Oh, come lei. Yeah, this one's called Auntie Belle's Revenge. Circumstance never favored me. No, never a chance, never a flavor that tasted free. Wonder the influence, wonder at the true event. Peel off every layer of experience. Won't be ashamed, won't take the blame for something with so much precedent. 3 inches deep, where I usually sleep, dreaming of devils my soul to keep. Does my uncovered skin degrade your oxygen? I give up myself for a little wealth, and I'm labeled a danger to public health. But I am the face of love and care, so haters beware. Pardonnez-moi, vous aimez rester seul comme ça. Vous préférez peut-être venir avec moi. Well, you might expect I got in this line of work as a reject. But if you weren't so sexually repressed, you'd see that my hustle is a screaming success. 3 inches deep, where I usually sleep, oh, dreaming of devils my soul to keep. Does my uncovered skin degrade your oxygen? 'Cause I give up myself for just a little wealth, and I'm labeled a danger to public health. But I am the face of love and care, so haters beware. Yeah. I'll lend you a smile, even after the face you just made. 'Cause you know inner strength and generosity are just a part of the trade. Disculpe, usted quiere pasear solamente. Prefiere tal vez acompañarme. 3 inches deep, where I usually sleep, dreaming of devils my soul to keep. Does my uncovered skin degrade your oxygen? 'Cause I give up myself for just a little wealth, and I'm labeled a danger to public health. But I am the face of love and care, so haters beware. Yeah. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Just one more, yeah. One more. do the set all over again. Great. We are Mela Mela. Came over from Seattle today. I'm very glad to be here. Thank you, Woodworking, Tattoo, and Art Gallery. It is lovely to be here. And we played good enough that they didn't drop the sticks on us, so we're feeling pretty good about that.
Tu curiosidade sabia se queres mis caderas y mi risa. No soy un enigma profundo, pero desde ya como puedes estudiar tu asunto. Me equivoco, te sonrojas un poco, te entiendo. Una paradoja de sintiendo. Sol y la tierra se atraen. ¿Por qué no dos estrellas también? Siento un torbellino en el camino a ti. No está despejado, pero me está tirando en un torbellino. Trato de hablar con mis ojos para expresar mis antojos. Si no fuera tan maldita tímida, tal vez ya sería tu querida. Oh, me equivoco, te sonrojas así un poquito, te entiendo. Una paradoja de sintiendo. Sol y la tierra se atraen. ¿Por qué no dos estrellas también? Oh, siento un
Thank you so much, everyone. We are Mela Mela. And scene. Thanks, you guys. I feel like such a superstar up here with all the lights and the cameras.